you love dill pickles and pizza, then you are going to want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, like I said, if you like pickles and you like pizza, do I have the recipe for you today? I found this recipe over at Yes to Yolks. I will link the recipe in the description box, so I'd appreciate it if you'd also go check their site out. I'm changing up just a couple little tiny things, nothing major. The cheese is the big thing that I'm changing up on this recipe. But the original recipe will be linked. So anyway, you're probably thinking to yourself, pizza, pickles, really? But yes, it is a dill pickle white pizza. I love white pizzas to start with anyway. And you know, I'm a pickle lover, so this is gonna be delicious. So let me stop talking, turn the camera around, we'll go over all the ingredients, and then we'll go ahead and start making up the sauce and put this pizza together. All right, my friends, so first off, I have a pizza stone here. I will be putting it in the oven on 475. If you do not have a pizza stone, you can use a cookie sheet and just put parchment paper on it. But I'm going to get that in the oven and get it heated up. I also have a pizza peel, and as you will see in this video, I start out using some parchment paper on it, changed my mind, and just added a little bit of flour to my pizza peel. And then you'll see the struggle became real. I have some shredded mozzarella cheese. I have crushed red pepper flakes. I also have some olive oil, some ranch dressing, minced garlic, bacon bits, the dill pickle chips, salt and pepper. It also called for fresh dill. I had dill weed. I actually looked for fresh dill, and believe it or not, my grocery store did not have it. I did pick up some dough at the grocery store in that little bag there, and then instead of using Parmesan cheese, I chose to use some dill pickle Havarti cheese. So that is all the ingredients, friends. So let's get that pizza stone heated. All right, my friends, before I do anything, I am putting my oven on 475, and I am throwing in my pizza stone. If you do not have a pizza stone, you can use a baking sheet. Can you hear that with the oven noise? You can use a baking sheet with some parchment paper. All right, my friends, so I am going to heat up a little bit of olive oil. Do about 2 tablespoons. Okay. I'll let that heat up for a second. And then we're going to go ahead and put our garlic in. Make sure I don't drop that. So once this heats up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and put in 4 cloves of garlic. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and put in 4 1/2 teaspoons of garlic, which equals 4 cloves. Y'all know I love my garlic. Turn that down just a tiny bit. I'm going to go ahead and just cook that up. Woo, that's sizzling. Just going to cook that for about a minute or 2, just till it starts to brown. Then we're going to move over to the counter and mix up our sauce. Alright, my friends, we're pretty much done here. I did drain a little bit of that olive oil off. I felt like it was too much. So I think I'd start with a tablespoon of olive oil. I feel like 2 was too much. Alright, now let's head over to the island and, sure it's wet. Now let's head over to the island and put this together. Okay. Alrighty, so we have our garlic. I think I may have overcooked it a tiny bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in a 1/4 cup of ranch dressing. And a teaspoon of dill weed. Like I said, it called for fresh, but the store didn't have it. A little bit of salt. And I like a lot of pepper on my white pizzas. All right, so that's what we have. We're gonna mix that together. All righty. Ah, I did make it on my shirt, didn't I? Daggone it, now I got a stain on my shirt. I really need to get an apron. Man, try to get that out after I mix this up so it doesn't stain my good shirt. Even though it's a t-shirt, it's still one of my better ones. All right, oh, this smells delicious, friends. Smells delicious. Alrighty, let me put this aside now. Clean up my area, get the stain off my shirt, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our pizza together. All right, my friends. I am going to insert a clip right now. Told you I was gonna include bloopers. Well, here you go. Friends, I told you I was gonna add bloopers. You just saw I splashed my shirt, right? With the stain. I get the stain out, I go over and I start to move this stuff on the counter out of the way so I can bring my pizza peel over to do the pizza. Go to grab the dill with the lid off, and what happens? Yeah, I'm telling you. You should have seen me. I caught it as it was falling, so it dumped it out. The whole thing didn't fall on the floor, thank goodness, but yeah. This is behind the scenes. So, I told you, I didn't have the camera running on that one because I was cleaning up. Oh, lordy, lordy. But anyway, here's my pizza dough. And I just bought this at the grocery store. You can make your own if you want. I'm not doing that. Hubby does make his own pizza dough. I actually plan to film a video making homemade pizza in the pizza oven. I think I'm going to do buffalo chicken pizza. It's one of our favorites that we make all the time. So, let's go ahead. Should I throw it? I'm not going to. All right, let's lay that out. I just have some parchment paper in there. I'm not sure. You know what? I'm gonna put some flour. Should I do that? I don't know. It's like I hate to do what the recipe doesn't say. I feel like I should just put some flour down and put it right on the stone. But I can't want to not follow the recipe. I think I might. I think I'm gonna put some flour down. All right, friends, hopefully this turns out. Because I am not following the recipe exactly, but this is what we normally do. So I'm doing it. All right. I have my pizza sauce, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that right on there, just like that. This smells really, really good, to be honest with you, friends. It does. Meal. Smells good. All right, that was perfect. Got a little bit left in there, but not much. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a cup of mozzarella cheese, and my hand is actually about a cup of mozzarella. And then I grated up my Havarti dill cheese. I've got a cup of that here. So putting that on there as well. Don't waste any of it. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more mozzarella. Y'all know I love my cheese. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper flakes. A bit of salt and pepper. Salt. Just a tiny bit more dill. And then I'm gonna top with some bacon bits. And like I said, you can use real bacon if you want. I'm using about a half of a bag here. This is a 2.5 ounce bag. Oops. And now I'm gonna go ahead and top it with my pickles. Does this look delicious or what? And I just chopped up a few pickle slices. I used the Wahlburgers dill pickles for this. That's what I had opened. And by the way, friends, I am going to be doing a blind taste test. My friend might be joining me, the one that gave me the idea. We're trying to make that work to see if she can. So hopefully we can. Let me just quickly wash my hands and then we're gonna get this in the oven. As I mentioned, my pizza stone has been in there for a while at 475. All right, my friends, I'm praying this comes off with the peel easily. Let's open this up. Fingers crossed. This is probably why she said to do it on the parchment paper, because, you know, God forbid. Oh Lord, let me figure this out. Where's my, what do I do with it? There we go. Yeah, I definitely did not have enough flour on there, but I made it work. Did you see that all? All right, we're gonna put this in for 8 minutes and then check it. All right, we're 8 minutes in. Let's do a quick peek. Yeah, it said 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it in for about 1 more minute. All righty, friends, let's pull this out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Where's my hoodie bob? Ah! Oh, look at that, friends, look. Ooh. Does that look delicious? Yes. Alrighty. All right, my friends, it smells amazing, amazing. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit and then we're gonna cut it and do a taste test. I'll be back in a few. All right, my friends, I just put it on this little pizza pan because it makes it easier to cut. So let's go ahead, cut a slice and do a taste test. All right, ignore my little olive oil spot that I tried to get. All right, let's go ahead and it smells so good. All right, I'm excited. I am so excited. Let's do a taste test. All right. Mmm. Oh. I like this. Mmm. I'm getting a little bit, I'm sorry, I'm eating away. Not even thinking about that I'm filming. I'm trying to get all the flavors. I can taste the Havarti cheese, the dill. I even get the olive oil in there. Friends, I like it. I like it a lot. This is really good. I like it. Like a lot. I'll be making this again for sure. Jumping in real quick, friends. I started eating a little bit more for my lunch. Now I'm getting the kick of the red hot peppers. Oh my God, the perfect addition. They, this recipe, please go over, I'm gonna link it in the description box. Please go over and check them out. They knocked it out of the park. This is a really good pizza. Good. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, our pickle giveaway is still going on. I am going to link that in the description box. A bunch of pickle products and pickled items that is going to be given away. So make sure you check that video out and leave a comment on that video in order to get a chance to try to win the giveaway. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.